Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel.
So we're going to do something different today. At the weekend there was a trials bike tournament in the Algarve, which if you want a bit more information, it is it is geonatlife.com.
Right.
And we found the start.
Yes, we have found the start, which is here. The tape has been ripped, obviously, since the event's finished.
Yeah, since the event. Well, the event's finished, and they went down. So we're going to turn our cars round. We've obviously come up here and put it here just because we look good.
Yeah.
So we're going to turn round and we're going to follow. Well, we don't know what we're going to do actually. We're going to follow the trail
best we can.
Because obviously there's bits. If we pan, I'll pan the camera around.
There's a lot of single file, very steep, impossible car.
File steep where they went up the hill, and we will not be able. I think we'll be able to get that. If we can get up, we'll try it.
Yeah, we're pretty much just going to try and mess around and find cool little tracks to go on.
Yes, so we're going to try and follow the trails and skirt round the bits that obviously because they're men with massive testicles.
Oh, monsters!
And they do. They do things that we aren't going to be able to do. Join us.
Yeah.
We don't know what we're going to find, so let's crack on. Other than it's getting
a bit cold.
Right, we found a little stumbling block for our trek today, quite early on as well. So what we've found is that obviously the bikes went up here and it's quite narrow till you get round the corner, then it's back to normal. But on the map it's about 5 kilometers round for us to go all the way round and back here. So we think that Murdoch will make it. Think you'll make it?
Yeah, my problem's width, yours is clearance, so that's...
I'm not going to get up there, but we can put a max tracks, can't we?
Yes.
Right, he's through, so that's good. Right, now it's down to me.
Right, so this could be first max tracks appearance due to the fact I think that's going to be a bumper ripper. That's a small little bit we need, so we've got our first, this will be our first use of these max tracks, and I'm going to lay them on the left hand side for him. So if I put them up there. Do you want one on the other side? Do you want this one?
No, I should be able to straddle that.
No, don't go gun-ho. Right, keep coming. That way a tad. That's it, perfect. That's it, up. That's it, right. Now come up, yep. Come my way, that's it, that way a bit. That's it, up, up, up. Perfect. We're hey. All right, back in the car.
This looks nothing, does
No,
it?
the camera shows nothing, but it's very, very rocky, but there's only a dirt bike path. It's not double tracked, so one wheel, I think this right hand side's going to spin pretty well compared to the left because it's more rocky and there's no path. So I'm going to go 4 low, second gear, and a bit of gung-ho.
And although I don't think anyone will believe it, we're concerned Pete won't make this.
Yes, we are, and it doesn't look anything. From where we're standing, it doesn't look anything, and
No.
on camera, it doesn't look anything. When you get there, it is actually really steep. So,
And are we putting the drone up?
should we? No, it's not
hardly
worth it. You don't get a proper perspective of the shale and the rocks. So,
Okay, I'm
you
going
head
down.
over.
And as you can see, it's not even a car width wide. There's my feet. So that's how wide it is. So it's just been dirt bikes. Oh, gung-ho. It looks tough, and you bounced a lot.
Yeah, well, it was slippier than you lined up for that big rock, aren't you?
Yes.
So, but it is really steep. That was second gear, and that was everything it had. So, yeah.
There we are.
Now it's your turn, big boy.
I'm not fancying this at all.
No.
But
It's a good test
if
for
in doubt,
Pete.
let's bust it.
Yeah, come on in. If you see here, this is sort of the washouts that you've got. You know, they are quite a large washout from the rain, because we've had this year some days of seriously heavy rain. But Dad's probably already shown you this, but I'm going to show you again because I can. This bit's all been churned up, like churfed, I don't know, but it's been turned. Let's use the word turned. It's been turned up, and it's all loose. This side is more where something's been over time, probably bikes, because it's clearly not wide enough for a car, because my tyre was there and there. Let's see how Pete handles this. I'm very interested here. I'm going to stand well clear from these rocks. He's shaking he's rubbing his hands together, hopefully magicking some money up for when he snaps something on this car. Shite. Man, it made it without too much of a problem, but it flicked that big bugger. Look at the size of that. Just flung that down. He's gonna have hit something under there, I'm sure. Wicked. Looked pretty painful. It's flinging out boulder-sized stones.
There was all sorts hitting the bottom.
Yes.
And I don't mean my bottom. It felt like that if something was exposed, it would have broken it.
Yes.
But I think most things are pretty well covered under there, and I can't see any oil coming out. So happy days.
Yeah.
As long as it drives me back, I don't mind.
No. Right then. Three, two, one. Right then, that was a funny little adventure, wasn't it? We sort of ended up in the dusty bits and we've sort of come through that little trail at the end there. We got, what a penis. That's a thorn, funnily enough. So we came through that little narrow track, which we actually came into use with the Max tracks for the first time, and they worked blooming well.
Yes, we've never
Didn't
used
they?
those.
Yeah, yeah.
We never thought we would. No, in the dust.
Saved you from that rock into the sump, so that was good.
Yeah. Well, it was a lot. It was pointless, really, but it was a long way round.
Oh yeah.
We thought we would
cut through.
Get up there. So hang on, where's Doggy?
Oh, we got.
Oh, we're stuck bloody here. Oh no! Look, that's where my blooming foreskin jumped.
Right. That's enough of that. But the actual dirt bike track, there wasn't a lot we could do because it was so narrow.
No, it was a stupid idea.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, most of it was.
In fairness, we got a fair bit of it.
Yeah.
It was all tracks we'd already done, wasn't it?
Yes, it was. Yeah.
And then they turn off and do something that's.
Well, they actually, in one point, they actually jumped the track we were doing.
Yes.
They had like a jump built over the track, which was pretty cool. But of
we
course,
came and saw them on Sunday, didn't we?
yeah, we did. Yeah, because we decided we'd take Mum and the dog to the lake, so we thought we'd do that. And we've never seen a soul. And then suddenly the whole place was just full of dirt bikes going round and round this massive loop.
Round us.
Yeah, cool to see.
It was.
But yes, hopefully we get.
I'm going to have to get the dog back. Chevy!
Chevy!
Come on.
Come on.
Good boy.
Good boy. Yes, so hopefully we got a bit of good footage there. It's going to be probably quite tricky to edit because we came up to a few little bits where
some bits were very tough.
Yeah, they were.
In fact, actually, it sounds stupid, but the little bit just over the rock which we used the Max track actually was tough.
Yes, it was.
Me.
Yes, for sure.
For you.
No, but it was good fun and a good little test. So hopefully we can pick something together out of this video, but we thoroughly enjoyed ourselves.
Yeah, as always.
Yeah, as always. But next week we're going to try and find something else.
Yes, because we did one bit of the track that we'd already done, and that was so cut up by them.
Yeah, yeah.
We didn't bother filming it because we'd done it before.
We'd done it before, yes.
So hopefully this one will be all right. We don't really know what we've got, but if you have been watching.
Yes, thank you very much.
Stop doing it.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm getting stuck with it. Ah! Thorn bastard. You thorn bastard.